we have the cooking surface. You can see we do have a nice removable lid. This will give you direct flame access for wok style cooking. This plate is removable below the flue collar. This is going to give you direct access for oven clean out. Your flue is going to be located directly above the oven. This is a top vent model. Here you can see inside the firebox. You can notice that the gasketing material is a little bit different on this particular model. You can see it's just going to be a painted black finish in there. That is going to be your cast iron grate at the bottom. And that is going to be the top view, which is directly into the cooktop. Located here, we do have the baking oven. You can see the 5 different levels, and it is an enamel lined baking oven in there. And then again, this is going to be kind of your storage area located directly below the stove. And then inside we do have our firebox area as well. All doors are going to be fully gasketed to keep any airflow from coming into the stove. Should give you nice long burn times with these fireboxes. All right, here we have taken apart a Teba hydro model. So you can see nice good thickness on the top of the stove here. The water is going to circulate around the firebox. This is also the water jackets on the actual side of the unit here. So when I say that the water fully surrounds the firebox, you really get a good picture of what that's gonna look like. Fully surrounding the firebox, these hydro models must have water circulating through them at all times.